Okay, continuing the series on weird British breakfast. Manx Kippers today. So Manx Kippers are herrings that are smoked over oak in the Isle of Man. Very famous, and they taste absolutely fantastic. Look at those bad boys. Now, you can cook Manx Kippers many ways, but I just like them grilled, a bit of butter on. Absolutely lovely, and it's also the simplest way to do it. A bit of butter on those. Some black pepper. Okay, traditionally a poached or a fried egg goes on top of a kipper, but I prefer a fried egg, so here we go. And as everyone in the world knows, when you're cooking 2 fried eggs, traditionally it's good to break the first one. No, I'm only joking, it was a mistake. I'm just useful. Once your fried eggs are done and your kippers heated up, time to just plate and eat. It's as simple as that. It's not really a recipe, is it? Okay, there's reasons many people don't really like kippers. They like the taste, but it's all the little bones that go with it. And if you just pull the meat off towards the tail, you shouldn't get any bones at all. And it's a really nice, easy way. And the taste is amazing. Manx kippers are truly one of the finest things ever. This is the bone, just showing the bone coming up. It's easy to take the meat off without the bone.